This is Chapter 12, Lesson 3, Box Plots. Another vocabulary word. A box plot, or box and whisker plot, uses a number line to show the distribution of a set of data, using the median, quartiles, and extreme values. So we have done this before. This is what a box plot looks like. The median is shown, your Q1 and your Q3, which we know how to find those quartiles. And then you have, that's also known as your upper extreme and lower extreme. So that's your lowest number and your highest number. And then you have an outlier, a number that's way away from all the other ones. So let's look at an example. On page 881, I'm going to do letter A. They want me to draw a box plot of the data set below. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put my numbers in order from least to greatest. So let's do that. Now that I have my numbers, I find my median, and we have done this before. Median, remember, is your middle number. So my median is 20, and then I know how to find my interquartile ranges. My Q1, notice I have 5 numbers. My middle number is 17, which is my Q1. My middle number, my Q3, is 27. And that should all be reviewed from our last chapter. So now I can go ahead and set up my number line for my box and whisker plot, or box plot. The first number I'm going to want to probably put on there is 20. And let's count by 5s. So I can do 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So going through, let's put a dot where we know. Your first dot goes on the 20, and that becomes the start of your box. Your outer box goes to your numbers. So your Q1 is where your first box is going to go. So notice it goes till 17. And this is my Q1, my quartile 1. My Q3 is all the way in 27. So my box is going to go all the way to 27. And that's how I create my first box. Remember, the little whiskers, as they call them, come at your low end values. So my line is going to come to my 15, and my other line is going to go to the 30. Any outliers then would also be graphed, but if I look at my data, I notice that I don't have any outliers. So this is what my box and whisker plot would look like. Make sure you know what each of those little dots and lines stand for. I can also label them here so you can see it. This is your median, your Q3, your Q1 or your quartiles, and then your highest number and your lowest number in your data set.